Hello, welcome back to the Clay House. I'm Alexa. Welcome back to another unboxing video. Today we're going to be talking about the Allure Beauty subscription box. It is a monthly subscription. It retails for $23 a month with free shipping. You get 10 items in your box, 3 of which are full size. So that is pretty good. And not only that, the retail value of the box is $220, if not more. So it's looking like this. And this is the October one. Opening it up. And this is what you get inside. The little brochure for everything in here. So I'm gonna open this book up because I never seem to know what I'm reaching for. Okay, so the first thing is the new. This is fresh vitamin C to firm lines, smooths, brightens, and it's an antioxidant. Okay, let's see what it says. Potent powdered vitamin C is activated in the palm of your hand, helping to boost collagen production, reduce fine lines, and brighten skin. So let me see what it looks like. Yep, and it's a powder in here. Like this. I'm not going to pour because guess what, guys? Oh boy, we're almost there. We're just like a hairline away from my giveaway. So before I go any further, please, somebody's sending me a message while I'm recording. Okay, please like, share, and subscribe. That way you can be entered for the giveaway. We'll have to be subscribed to my Instagram as well. So stay tuned because it can happen any minute now. I'm so excited. Okay, so back to this. This vitamin C, the retail value is for the full price for the full product is $70. Now, is this the full size or not? Hold on a second here. I got carried away talking about the giveaway. Doesn't give me the size. But full retail value $70. Okay, I think that's the full size. All right, so next is, oh yay, we got Static Nails nail polish. It's like a rosy mauve color. Childproof. Oh my gosh, I can't open it. This retails at $16. Oh my goodness. I can't open it. The struggle. Why can't I open this? Oh my gosh. All right, well. Oh my God. Oh, I feel heat going to my cheeks. I'm struggling. I can't open it. Oh my goodness. Well, the retail value for this is $16. And look, my face got red. Okay. So next we have ceramidin cream. Ceramidin. Looks like this. This is a sample. The full size value is $48. And this is for your face. It retains moisture. Okay. Next, let me go following the pamphlet. Okay, next is the Sigma liquid lipstick. That is a sample. The retail price for the full size is $20. This is in the color Venom. Nice. Looks like that. And nice red. I like the reds with the blue undertones. They match my skin tone way better than the reds with the orange undertones. So this is a liquid lipstick. Okay, next we have the La Roche-Posay Lipikar Balm Intense Repair Moisturizing Cream. The retail value for this full size is $19.99. And this is this is for the arms and legs. I guess this is a body cream. Is it a body cream? Let me not say that. Yep. It's for your body. Okay, very good. Okay, the next we have William Schumann European Skincare Hydrating Collagen Eye Pads. This is one pair. The retail price for this is $18 for 5 pairs. And hydration boost stall for your ojos, which means eyes. And last thing that we have here is Native Fig Pure Mix. It is shampoo and conditioner. Hydrating shampoo and conditioner. Okay. The retail price for these are, of course, not listed in the brochure. So, I'm sorry. All right, so let's go back. We have shampoo and conditioner, hydrating collagen eye pads, body lotion, cream moisturizer, nail polish. We have the vitamin C, the powdered vitamin C. And we have the liquid lipstick in this beautiful red. And that is it for the October Allure box. I found most, if not all, the things in here were pretty good. So thank you for stopping by. I'm so glad that you were here. I hope you stayed till the end. I hope you subscribe, like, share, and know that the giveaway is around the corner, so don't miss out. You'll have to follow me on Instagram as well. More details would be announced as we get closer, or as soon as the goal is set in stone. So thank you. Take care, be kind, and let's make this world a better place for you, for me, for our babies and our babies' babies, and the future. So thank you. Bye.